Hey guys, what's up, how's it going? My name is Robin. Welcome back once again on the channel for another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Canadian stocks, and I'm going to be showcasing you guys what stocks I'm buying today. I'll give you guys a portfolio update, and we'll talk about what's been going on in the market recently, as the market's been going up and down quite a bit. So if you guys have been following the market over the past little while, some stocks are up, some stocks are down, and today opened up at quite a good day, especially for most Canadian stocks. So in today's video, like I said, we will cover the portfolio and we will talk about that, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on the market. But the cool thing about the type of investing I do, which is very conservative, very, investing in good quality stocks, is the fact that you don't really have to worry about buying into the market when things are down. So for the past couple days, we've just been investing our money like we usually do, and now we're starting to see that benefit as maybe the market is starting to rise over the next couple days. So really quickly, guys, before we jump inside the portfolio and I give you guys an update, I want to mention that I have some exciting news. Over the past little while, I've been working on getting a Patreon page set up for the YouTube channel, so that you guys can get some extra benefits and whatnot, and I can also get some extra income rolling in, and you guys can support me a little bit further, which I do thank you guys very much. Basically, the Patreon for now will be a place where you guys can join and get access to a private Discord. I know a few of you guys have mentioned and requested that, and then there's also like another tier to get access to some Q&A videos that I'll do where I can answer some of you guys questions and give you guys more like a personal kind of answer. And in the future, I do plan on doing things where I can set it up where you guys can see like my investments, maybe see my allocations. You guys can get like up-to-date information on my portfolios and whatnot. It's kind of a work in progress right now, but there's links in the description if you guys want to check all that stuff out, as well as links to like Wealth Simple Trade and whatnot if you guys want to get set up with those platforms. Alright guys, so let's jump into Wealth Simple Trade and let's see how portfolio has been doing this Monday morning. Alright guys, so really quickly here, we'll go over the portfolio value and some updates in the market. As you guys can see, the morning opened up quite a bit. Big, especially considering just before the weekend, we've seen a big dip in the market. Our portfolio kind of, for the most part, kind of held pretty strong, but we're seeing a nice little jump up this morning here. So here's the overall value of the portfolio. We have a TFSA on Wealth Simple Trade, $23,000, $459, and over the past day, which would be this morning, we are currently up about 0% with the portfolio, which is almost about, I'd say like maybe 0.5% or something like that, which is $100. Over the past week, the portfolio is up $522, which is 2%. Which is pretty cool. So it's $500 in the past week. We're up. Over the past month, we're up 4%, which is $857. Over the past 3 months, we're up $1,444, which is 7%. And as you guys can see, this portfolio has just been slowly growing over time, and that's the main kind of theme of this type of long-term, good quality dividend investing type of investing that I'm doing in this channel. Is you guys can see that long-term growth, and I will show you guys my dividend income kind of further towards the end of the video if you guys want to kind of see an update on that, because we did get a bunch of dividends over the last little while. But here's the cool thing: over the past year, we are up currently 11% in the portfolio. That's $2,343. That's quite a bit. In all time, we are up 10%, which is once again $2,220, which is an all-time high for this portfolio. So over the past month or so, the portfolio is reaching all-time highs as we're starting to see like those Canadian stocks and just the stock market in general doing quite well. But really emphasis on the Canadian stocks. I think Canadian stocks are going to have a good year, and we can see them doing really, really well inside the portfolio right now. So in today's video, I want to really focus on a couple of stocks, but the two main ones I want to focus on are two stocks that I think have really good value for the portfolio, and one that's actually trading at a super huge discount. And in my last video, I talked about Algonquin Power and Utilities Corp. As you guys can see here, currently down 10% inside my portfolio. This stock has got hit really hard. A lot of the energy stocks, it looks like, some more than others, are taking a bit of a hit. And I know if you guys left some comments in the last video kind of explaining that, but Algonquin Power and Utilities is a good long-term stock, and if it's down 10% of my portfolio, I see this as a great opportunity to buy. So today I'm going to kind of double down and go really hardcore with the stock, because I do want to kind of build up my position in it, because it is such a good long-term stock. And we can see over the past year, it's actually down 4%, and over the past 5 years, it's actually up 80%. So amongst the pandemic and everything, this stock has grown 80% in the past year. It's a good dividend stock. It's a good long-term stock. I see this stock as a great buy, and I know a lot of people have been mentioning that as well. Currently priced at $19.52 Canadian. I'm probably going to put about, let's put about I'm going to put about $175, most of my money that I'm going to put in today. and then the other stock we're going to be putting inside a REIT, because I think REITs are kind of on a good path to recovery, and they get us once again that nice monthly dividend income. So Algonquin Power Utilities, definitely a good stock to check out right now. Definitely kind of dipping down, but remember, if you buy in the dip and you're buying good quality stocks, this is how you really, when things recover, you make some good income. So we should see this recovery happen over the last little while. But once again, just to give a recap here, we have 21 shares, $409, and all-time performance is down 10%. So definitely, I think this is a good time to buy some Algonquin Power and Utilities Corp. So that's my first stock I'm going to be buying today, guys. I think that's pretty much a no-brainer. You know, when you see opportunities like that, you definitely want to take advantage of them. If you guys think the stock is good, you don't have to buy into it, but I do think it's a good buy right now. And then the other stock we're going to be buying is going to be none other than RioCan, and the big reason why is because RioCan is on a good path to recovery. As you guys can see, the stock is up over the past 3 months, up 8%, so good recovery. I think REITs will recover once again this year. We can see that, like, this pandemic drop, we can see that nice little recovery, still down 20%, and it does have a nicely monthly dividend income. We're up 9% inside the portfolio. I do have quite a bit of RioCan, but it's one of the only REITs I have, so I'm a little bit comfortable putting a little bit more money into it, and we'll balance things out as time goes on. I just think this is a good position once again to keep buying these REITs. So I'm going to put about the rest of my money today into REITs. And by the way, guys, I have been buying VDY and VFE. I know a lot of you guys follow my portfolios. Those ETFs I'm kind of been buying on my off days, like whenever I have a little bit extra cash, I basically just throw them into the ETFs. And then when I do these videos, I'm going to focus a little bit more on buying like these individual stocks type kind of things. So that's going to be the main focus, I think, just to keep things a little bit interesting. Just kind of keep in your mind, like, when you're buying stocks, buying ETFs is really a no-brainer. And then maybe you guys can watch these videos to see some individual companies that I think are worth buying right now. But that's mostly the stocks I'm going to be buying for today's video. What we're going to do also is check the activities so we can see the dividends that are coming in. So we'll check the TFSA. We'll uncheck everything except for dividends. You guys can see some of the recent dividends. We do have like some big dividends from VDY coming in over the next couple days, but you guys can see RioCan paid us a dividend of $6. H&R REIT, another REIT we have, paid us a dividend of $6. Enbridge, Fortis, XRE, and some other ones here for the end of February. So that monthly income for March is starting to roll in. And if I bring up my dividend investing spreadsheet here, for anybody who's brand new to the channel, you guys can see here how much money we made in the portfolio over the past couple months. Once again, we started this portfolio in January, and I'm going to be doing a video the next couple days that kind of does a longer recap of how we kind of grown this portfolio over time. And it's going to be like a really good beginner focused video that's going to come up over the next couple days. But you guys can see here that we've just been regularly putting money inside the portfolio since January 2020, and I've documented this entire series on YouTube, and I'm going to eventually build a playlist where you guys can binge watch it if you want. Once again, you guys don't have to watch the older videos because they're not as good, and I wasn't as good as doing this stuff, so, you know, bear with that. But you guys can see kind of how I went through that learning process. We got to where we are. We're making about $50 a month, already $20 in dividends for the month of March, and total income being $363. So once again, lots coming from stock appreciation and stock growth, but also we want to work on that dividend income over time, because our main goal in the end is to live off our dividends. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little update and how much money we've been earning inside our portfolio over time. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you guys haven't already checked out the Patreon page, it'll be a nice way for you guys to kind of connect with me. I know YouTube has been a little bit hard for spam lately, so I was thinking about a way to kind of create a nice little community where we can grow together, we can grow our income portfolios, and I do have some plans in the future. Once again, bear with me, this is a work in progress, but I know a lot of you guys have been requesting like some chat things and stuff like that where we can all chat and get together. So that's where the idea came up from. So once again, check that out in the description of the video if you guys want to sign up for that and kind of join my community that I'm going to be starting. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you guys want to follow alongside with me and learn alongside with me as I build up this dividend portfolio, be sure to subscribe. So take care, guys. I hope you guys have yourself a good week, and I'll see you guys later.